Industrial solar by Cosmos Energies. Save big, power smart. Running machines 24/7, but your profits are draining with every bill? Power cuts killing productivity? Generators guzzling diesel and draining cash? Switch to industrial solar with Cosmos Energies and take back control. Here's why smart industries are choosing solar. Cut bills by up to 80%. Run machines without grid worries. Earn with net metering. Reduce your factory's carbon footprint. Increase property and factory valuation. Get ROI in just 2 to 3 years. At Cosmos Energies, we deliver industrial-grade solar setups, fast professional installation, net metering support, regular panel washing and performance checks, seamless upgrade and expansion, annual maintenance and on-site technical support, 24/7 system performance monitoring and remote support. Built for industry, backed by experts. Call now, 0319-926-7667 or visit our website www.cosmosenergies.com.